Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we're talking about PayPal, and more specifically, we're going to show exactly how to add a payment method into your PayPal account. So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, if you're not familiar with PayPal, it's definitely one of the more popular online payment companies out there. They might even be the oldest. I remember using them back in the early 2000s, but actually I'm not sure if they are the absolute oldest for online payments. If you happen to know, be sure to leave a comment below. But in order to add a payment method, I'm going to show you the easiest way that I know through the app. This is the PayPal app right here. It's blue and white. It's called PayPal. If you don't have the app already, be sure to check the video description. I'll try to leave a referral link there, but I'm going to go ahead and open the app now. All right, I went ahead and opened the app, and this is the home screen. So here on the home screen, usually you're going to see on the top line any other PayPal users that you've interacted with. So if you sent them payment or they sent you payment. Next, you'll see your PayPal balance. And then right here, you can see your recent activity. So any kind of transactions, if you sent money or received money through your PayPal app, is usually going to be listed here. But if you want to add a payment method, don't worry about that. What you want to do is click this little gear icon right here on the top right. Once you click there, it's going to bring down another drop down menu, and that's where you can make those changes. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this gear icon now. All right, I went ahead and clicked there, and then here on this screen, you can do lots of different things with your PayPal app. So you can change your personal information, you can message back and forth with PayPal, you can update your payment preferences, but don't worry about that. If you want to go ahead and add a payment method into your PayPal account, you want to go ahead and click right here. It's called Banks and Cards, and you want to click this little button right here on the right. It looks like a little arrow. I'm going to go ahead and click there now. All right, I went ahead and clicked there, and then this screen pops up. It's called Banks and Cards. So it's here on this screen that you can go ahead and view all of the accounts and credit cards and banks and debit cards that you have associated with your PayPal account. So for me, I only have my bank account attached, as you can see right here. But if you want to go ahead and add a payment method, you want to click this button right here on the top right. It's a plus sign. That's going to bring down another drop down menu. I'm going to go ahead and click there now. All right, so here's the next page, and this is the drop down menu I was talking about. You have two options. You can either choose to add a bank account, or option 2, add a debit card or credit card. For me, I'm going to go ahead and add a credit card today, so I'm going to click option number 2 now. All right, so next this screen pops up. It's called Choose How to Link Your Cards. So you can choose the first one, which is link a card manually. That's what I'm going to do. Or 2, you can quickly link the cards issued by your bank. I'm actually not too sure what that is. If you happen to know, be sure to leave a comment below. But I'm going to go ahead and choose this top one right here now. All right, next PayPal is asking me to link a card with the full 16-digit credit card number. I decided I'm going to add my Chase Freedom card. So I'm going to go ahead and enter that information in off screen now. All right, I went ahead and added that information in, and I'm going to go ahead and click this blue button right here in the middle. It's called Next. I'm going to click there now. All right, next PayPal is asking for the expiration date and security code from the credit card. So I'm going to go ahead and add that now. All right, so I went ahead and added all of the required information, and now PayPal is asking me to verify the billing address for this credit card. The billing address that popped up matches the one that I have for this credit card, so I'm going to leave it the same. If yours doesn't match for some reason, click this little arrow right here, and then that way you can edit that. For me, everything looks good, so I'm going to click this button right here on the bottom called Link Card. I'm going to click there now. All right, and just after a few moments, this screen pops back up called Banks and Cards, and as you can see, the bank account that I already had associated with my PayPal account is right there, but now this credit card is right below it. So now this has been added as a payment method. Pretty easy. So that's how you add a payment method to your PayPal account. If you know an easier way to do this, be sure to leave a comment below, let the rest of us know. But as far as I know, this is the easiest way to add and remove payment methods. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, and I hope to see you on the next one. Thanks again for watching.